Hi, this is Jay, the Gourmet Indian Chef, with a new look as you can see. Free of bed hair, free of hair, but not free of flavor. So here we're gonna make you today my favorite masala chai. For every Indian and every Pakistani and Sri Lankan, I think as well, most of us start our day with a cup of chai, and this is mine. Delicious. Now let me take you through how to make this delicious chai to start your day as well. So here are the ingredients: some milk, basil, mint, the spices ginger, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, some water, whole milk, and my favorite wag bhagri chai. We start off by toasting the spices in a hot pan at medium heat, just until they are releasing their aromas and popping slightly. As you will hear, they release the aromas and the flavors as you shake the pan a little bit, and you can smell it. Now we're going to add the water in there and the tea. As I said, this is my favorite brand, the Wag Bakri brand, available at all Indian stores. Give it a shake a little bit, bring it to a strong simmer. As we are bringing it to a strong simmer, we will now grate some ginger directly into the pot. The good thing about this is that you're going to strain it out later, so there's no, you can put in every part of the piece of ginger grated to release all its flavors. Ginger has some wonderful healing qualities, so I love my ginger in my tea. Now we're going to bring this to a boil and then add the milk in. And you're going to now add tear some basil leaves and the mint leaves into the pot. We're going to give it a stir after we do this. Basil and mint leaves, tear them into the pot. As I said, I love mint. I like a lot of mint. So as I said, the recipe's in the link below, but you're free to adjust it as per your preference, your flavor preference. But I love the flavor of mint and cardamom in my tea. There you go. Almost done with the mint, and we're going to give it a stir now to ensure all the flavors mix in very well. And after this, we're going to bring it to a boil, one time only, because in my hometown in Rajkot, they usually bring the tea to a boil 3 or 4 times to make it strong and sweet, as they like to call it, kadak meat tea. And the tea's ready now. So I hope you enjoyed this gorgeous cup of chai. And remember, you too can do this. And you too can be the gourmet Indian chef, because I gotcha.